Hi there, I appreciate you taking a moment to watch this. I want to talk with you for a few moments about a product that I've discovered that I'm really happy with, and I think you would be as well. It's from a company called Simple Green, and this is for driveways and concretes. It's Simple Green Concrete and Driveway Cleaner with Oxy Solve, and I'm really looking forward to showing you how it works. For my needs, I use an 1800 PSI power washer. It does everything that I needed to do, especially with my driveways. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a little bit of the Simple Green Concrete and Driveway Cleaner into the soap container that comes with the power washer. I'm just going to pour enough in there for our needs for today's demonstration. Because every power washer is different, I'm not really going to get into the process of how to use the power washer itself. But what I'm going to be doing first is I'm going to cover this area with the Simple Green Concrete and Driveway Cleaner. I'm going to let it set for a few moments, and then I'm going to wash it off with a power washing scrub brush that I use specifically for concrete and driveway. Now let's take a look at the before and after photo, and you'll see the dramatic results. And I'm not a professional power washer, and I was still able to get what I consider professional quality results. So if you're looking for that professional quality without having to pay the professional price, I highly recommend using Simple Green Concrete and Driveway Cleaner with Oxy Solve.